No, I'm a followers wami abayazi intuthu. Debu, don't video and smoke.
So my
I know,
rules,
but
my
no.
house, my rules.
My followers, my subscribers, my management.
No, but yes.
No, I've never seen anyone be so nonchalant with chalant matters. Like,
also, she's like, but I was in a fight. Chiggy, something. I'm like, girl, kanjani?
Her ability to move on from like serious things is just so.
It's insane.
So.
It's insane. Uvegetaire.
Uzokushaya.
I'm sorry.
Yani amukela kwinkqubo yami ngomuntu abakajayani ngomuntu abakagogo ngomuntu abaka-anti ngomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims. That's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow
your sister. I've been missing.
Yo, like thank you. Like he's back. And I've got new subscribers. For those who don't know, this is Utana Iti, guys. His mother and my mother are sisters. Yeah. From the same mother and father and gogo to us.
All of
Usiskapo, Upop Umamam, i-exegam Richard, Umama Kena, Upumzile, Patricia, i-exegam Jakes.
Yes.
And guys, he's not just my cousin Sean, but he is also
the multi-talented. Can you see my face on it? Yes. So I'm finally launching my product. It's called Euphoria, and it's basically it's a highlight kit. So everyone has been asking, how do you get your hair blonde? I can't tell you.
I'll show you pictures.
But I'll show you.
Yeah, the pictures.
So yeah, this is like my brand. Go ahead to the Instagram page. It's at Euphoria Hair ZA. And we have a Shopify store set up for you guys for smooth buying, smooth everything. And yeah, with December, guys, ungakudluli, ungekho blonde. Because those are the people that have the most fun, the blonde ones. Oh yeah? Young talk. So nowadays okay. She's auditioning to be a model.
Multiple streams of income. No, guys, I love it. I love it. Like, this is your color.
Yes.
If you know my cousin, this is his color. Like, from Dala. Yes. Like, from Sala down. Congratulations on this. Dine proud. Yeah. Dine proud. Yo, I'm not looking but Dine proud.
Yeah.
I guess I was like, Ekaya gune die.
Yeah.
Ekaya gune die. Yeah.
Yeah, and then he's really like,
now let us get into today's video. Watch this.
Time better be in the blog back in the FYP like I never left and I'm always better when I come back. I actually have a stalker. I mean, usually I have kids that come to my house to ask for pictures, and that is okay. Like, I don't mind, because at the end of the day, it's kids. Very uncomfortable, but it's kids. So now there is an actual adult stalker, and it's a guy. So they come to my place at around 2-3 a.m. and then they try to open most of my windows. And then like when I scream, they run away. And the problem is they don't know I can fight. And if I catch you, bitch, I'd rather die fighting. Like, I'm a fighter, bro. Like, and like, I'm gonna fix these 2 nails, and then I'm gonna unplait this because I want to do a new style on my braids. Anyways, those are my plans, and I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great because I woke up chill.
I have to lock all my doors, bitch. The only thing this person can take from me now is my dog.
Ooh, I was just like, no, I'll do a voiceover and let's just move on from what I was wearing now. Guys, Mara, do you guys actually realize that like brackets used to be a thing for the girls back in the day? Mara, now the bed bitch na kiss. I remember realistic. Vegeta! 2 of my nails came out, obviously, because I got into a fight. Went straight to Dave, obviously, to do my hair. Honey, one thing about this nigga. One thing about this guy. Fast forward to the evening, I had gigs, and I actually had an early flight in the morning.
Honor Zuma, can you please come to the front?
Like Umela.
I don't know if it's the amount of trauma that you've been through in your tender age of 21 foot or 22 or
21 foot.
At the tender age of
the
age.
age that you are in.
Yes. Siswami, you are so nonchalant about very chalant things.
Bro.
I even remember during that whole saga with your ex and you guys put each other in jail and in the prison cells, you were like back at the hotels chilling.
Chilling
And
in the cloud.
that time you had that accident
Mm.
there with your friend involved. You left the scene and went and carried on with the plans. Like
your plan must continue, Mosiah.
no,
you
like
can't
and
stop somewhere.
I'm asking this from a point of like you consent genuinely like how do you like nurse the pain? Do you sit and think about the trauma? Like the trauma of having a stalker. Do you understand? Like you live alone. And then you come and you tell us that
I have a
someone
stalker.
is opening your windows at 2
Yeah,
a.m.,
what
3 a.m.
what? But my best is that like after she said all of that, she was in another outfit. Then she was on to go doing her nails.
Like she's now leaving us with that trauma.
Like
instead.
how's about maybe
Police station.
your police station Kala, and then we a house call Yamazimbo in your house, but also they're stalking you in your house. So I'd want to leave. But also leaving means what if we have now?
Like, but Angel Taha, DF.
I feel like you also blame Angie for a lot of things.
No, she's a Minister of Defense Force. So
Oh,
I'm a soldier and
it's multi English, and I'm like, what were you trying to
Chana.
say?
like
And she's like, oh, I was in a fight, chiggy chiggy. Next thing on to the next thing. I'm like, so when you do the voiceovers, it's like,
Like-
and then after the whole, I mean, I was in a fight, whatever. That's why the 2 nails are out. Vegito.
I genuinely had to do this video with my cousin because I am speechless. And you guys know I can talk by myself
Yeah.
for days and hours. Yabona okwami, kuhlele namadlozi. That's why ngiphuza notshwala bamadlozi because uScience's ability to move on from trauma
It's crazy.
is on another level.
It's
Like,
crazy.
is she on like flight mode permanently? Guys, what do you call that? So if you're a psychologist, I know Kholi, to her it's not that deep, but to someone outside looking in, it's like, wow, my sister, what?
Kwenzakala ntoni? Like, how do you get to that level? But I think she's experienced a lot of things. So it's like, process. It's like, have you like been in a breakup and then we are Goa?
Hi, breakers.
Not like Cyan. Does Cyan go through a breakup like that?
She,
No.
okay, there was one time, okay, but it's
when
Cyan.
was that? Surely years back.
That's why and it was one time I saw like really
So
going
now,
through
as a
the
person,
breakup.
you go up the stages, the levels, and everything. So that's why I quite like.
But no one is Izenke. No one is
It has
Zinc.
body like Usain.
like it's like you know, like you are not good am tutu. When Goku Sanandos soft.
Yena kusinguke
Akasile.
ufika aquthiwe already. She's ready for you.
Ileka honest.
I think Motra no science. She's like, what can you show me that I haven't seen? You know? And if you're gonna do Amanza Bangani, that means I can't settle for this.
How hot can your water boil?
Yeah. And Namanzi a boy like him, leave my boy like this. So Namanzi went here or what? You know, like wow.
Right?
Mm-mm.
Like we are really in an era of war. And I saw people saying that we are moving on from the Russian scandal too
Like,
easily. That's what they're saying. Holy now, we see Sa'an and we've given her so much grace. And aspinda.
I just
What
feel
is it?
like umuntu is umuntu and whatever. But also that's South African culture as well as that whatever's gonna trend this week, sizoyikhumbula ne, but trend any, we're gonna move on and go with that. But also we were gonna forget about the Russia scandal.
Okay, the scandal we forget, but the people that are part of the scandal, we said we're going to.
They are part of Leso scandal. So if you're forgetting the scandal, you must forget the face. And you must book me. My money, like rent is still due.
So sorry. So we must also be nonchalant in return.
I
So-
mean,
Then what happens to accountability?
They did. They said, I'm sorry. What?
I'm sorry.
No, Russia. But I stand side Bougie because wow, what like that's called influence, you know? Moving on from being on BBC and all of those things. Yeah, Namagati from BBC to BBL or BBL to BBC. Like everything is a joke.
Sana,
But that's her. I think it's not like
that's what's wrong with us. Sorry. Oh, but you know how she is. Oh, but that's the way they
but
are.
manje sifuna abe ne-personality doctor. She's not a doctor.
She can be Dr. Malinga. All I'm saying is, yes, I understand.
Dr. Malinga.
We were late. We were late. But it's fine. You're here now.
You are funny.
Ben, like, you got me here, Emhlabeni. Funny.
No, I got you emhlabeni then ngakufundisa umhlaba while young
Since the one that used to come to my school to come have a good time
Yes.
at my school.
But
The
there's
one
a
that
time-
wanted money from my gangsters.
I get.
Yes.
I used to fight for you. Mina nobody nesikulwela in
Because
your
they shy.
so shy like shy.
Manje sengiyatrapa nami.
You know, now that means so vuthiwe njengoba
Sengivuthiwe nami.
So now it's
Sengi-hardwood.
and a kiss. But she also
I hate
said
you.
that, and she's like, so here's my OTD for the day. Give me the kiss. I just thought
Like,
I'm gonna do a voice over.
really, you know what?
I'm like,
we hold you accountable, but girl, you are who you are.
but I also feel like she's from maybe a family like us, where like back roaster endlini before you can
So
go
was
to the
strong
street.
from home.
So more figures right there, you
Yeah.
have all the replies that you can ever think of. So you can never be caught sleeping. Does it make sense? Oh?
No, it does. I begin to like message No, but it does make sense.
Wow.
Yeah, guys. Since then, school me in the comment section down below.
When you feel against
I ain't wanna see when I want to say available the channel.
no, guys, say good December so sizohlangana a bit more. Like work has been coming. Guys, want to busy. Rent is true.
And they own a business and stuff.
Like I'm Tolaga.
Says you're broke.
Yeah.
So we geek when.
The price is not the price yanamhlanje. That's what you gotta know. That's what you gotta know.
Some
And
other dogs.
yeah, I used to say, Shonti really talk to me, I'll make you famous.
Yeah.
I mean, I said it.
And now you are.
And
I mean, you dressed Miss South Africa. You even predicted who she's going to be Miss South
are
Africa.
you clocking it?
Clock it.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Next year, so we will Chris Mandana. Wama
Was
Like,
it
budget.
700?
No, I ngizobanikeza utshwala imali izobe
Oh,
ikhona.
so
So mina ngeke ngenza abantu abayi-300 maybe 100 and whatever, but we'll see.
uzosibiza othize.
Ngizoyenza le nto Grace ayenzile.
Yeah, audition net.
You better, because I mean mina ngizoza
But she
nama-golden
didn't make
tickets.
people audition, but Tina will end up auditioning.
That's the influence. But I love Grace so much. I wish I was at that party and I was free that day.
So why went you there?
Because I don't have good clothes.
I mean, that's the only
So
reason.
kumele ngigcoke blue njengoDominic.
No. not-
Dominatrix.
No. Invite wonayo. Nah.
Mengizoyifa jacket or something. But mengizovele ngimpeke ngithama like Grace.
Bozombonaphi? No, I'm logical.
But wayenza ngathi awukazi ufike eklabhini unganayo ukuthi ungena kanjani
And
and
it's
find
never-
yourself at the table.
It never happened
Please,
to me.
I must
Because
expose
I
you.
date the club owner.
True. That used to sneak me in.
Right?
Uyakhumbula
So-
lesikhathi bangibuza ukuthi how old are you?
How old are you?
19.
But yeah,
But
that's what happened.
I was inside.
Because-
Mangikhuluma ngathi
Exactly.
bye nigga, bye.
Montana.
Is-
Waga 2018.
Yeah.
I thank you. Guys, we'll see you in the next one.
Cheers.
I like how we thought the same. We're gonna like do chess, but
Mina bengifuna ukuyenza
I mean, I
nawe.
need to.
Wena uhlezi ucabanga abantu bakho.
I need to-
Nkosi yamashangana.